Okay, now it's going to be your turn. You're going to have 4 problems you're going to work on, and you're going to do the strip diagram and the equation. So the first problem says, Lee has 6 bags of candy. There are 15 pieces of candy in each bag. How much candy does Lee have in all? You're going to draw a strip diagram and an equation. The second question says, James has $187. His mom gives him $150 for chores for the month. How much money does James have in all? Again, you're going to do the strip diagram and the equation. Question 3 says, Marco has $832. He spends $420 on a new TV. How much money does he have remaining? You're going to draw the strip diagram and the equation. The final question says, Debbie has 24 bottles of water. She shares them with herself and 3 friends. How many bottles of water does each person get? You're going to draw your strip diagram and your equation. Remember, when you're finished, go ahead and turn it into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.